In this video, I'll show you how to make your LinkedIn profile private and only accessible to logged-in users. The key setting for this is your public profile visibility. LinkedIn says your public profile is what people can see when they are not signed in, including through search engines like Google. If you turn that public visibility off, your profile is no longer publicly visible on the open web. LinkedIn also explains that public profile settings work independently from the version of your profile seen by members who are signed in. To get started on mobile, open the LinkedIn app and tap your profile photo. Then go to Settings, tap Visibility, and choose Edit your public profile. On that screen, turn your profile's public visibility to off. LinkedIn says this hides your profile from public view, which is the main step if you want only signed-in LinkedIn members to be able to access it. If you are using LinkedIn on desktop, the path is very similar. Click your Me icon, open View Profile, then choose Edit Public Profile and URL. From there, switch your profile's public visibility to off. LinkedIn also notes that you can control which sections of your profile are public, but if your goal is to keep the whole profile limited to logged-in users, turning the full public visibility setting off is the cleanest option. Now, here is the important part. Turning off your public profile does not make your LinkedIn profile invisible to people who are signed in. LinkedIn says that generally, your profile is fully visible to LinkedIn members who are logged in, and the public profile setting is separate from that. So this setting is specifically about stopping access from people who are not logged in and reducing exposure on search engines. If you want even more privacy, go back to Visibility and review your off LinkedIn discovery settings too. LinkedIn says you can turn off profile discovery and visibility off LinkedIn, which helps opt out of certain permitted off LinkedIn displays of your profile information. That gives you another layer of control beyond the public profile toggle. You may also want to review smaller privacy settings like profile photo visibility and who can discover you by email or phone number. These settings do not replace turning off your public profile, but they can reduce how easily people find you and how much they see. For example, LinkedIn lets you adjust profile photo visibility separately, including what appears publicly versus to signed-in members. So the simple idea is this. If you want your LinkedIn profile to be accessible only to logged-in users, turn off your profile's public visibility. Then review your other visibility and discovery settings if you want even tighter privacy. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.